All right, y'all. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Wednesday, May 13th. And yeah, I took another loss today. I don't know what to say, bro. Like this trade I took, like in my opinion, this is based on the trades I take. Was the most, A plus trade that I could have taken. Um, it's just unfortunate. Like price action, like it's good, it's moving, but it's just I just don't know like what I'm doing wrong. I mean, I guess my draw's wrong, but in hindsight, like when I'm looking at it, like right now, like I just don't get how my draw is wrong. I don't know. Maybe I'm seeing something wrong. I don't know. We're at all time highs. We're all these different types of conditions, and it's just like we're just keep like we're going getting. I'm getting stopped. Like I don't know what to say. Like we're getting stopped. Like I know all time highs. You're only supposed to target longs, and even today, like we swept out a good low, created SMT, and still got stopped. And yeah, I mean, I guess that's the gist of trading. I mean, I'm doing everything I know I'm supposed to do on my part. I'm still waiting for my setup. Even today, I was like, I'm waiting for a sweep. I'm waiting for for it to be no draws lower, and still, I get stopped. So I don't know what to say, guys. It's just I don't know. We're going to get into it though. We'll get into it. So let's go and remove that. So today I was coming in bullish. Because again, yesterday the way we closed on this daily gap, we closed inside of it. We didn't close through it. We're still inside this daily gap as well. So I was looking for longs today, right? And then even on NQ, we have SMT. I mean not SMT, a fair value gap 4 hour, two of them actually that we're trading out of this morning as well. So I'm like, okay, I'm only looking for longs today. And yeah, like that's pretty much all I was looking for. Like even on this hourly gap or hourly candle, yeah, we haven't made this gap yet. Or now we just did since it's 9 o'clock, but we made this hourly gap. But yeah, even on the hourly, nothing, everything was showing me the bullish. We pushed up, displaced, and I thought we were coming down after we're tapping these gaps, like the 4 hour gaps. Boom, we'll push up and go back to all time highs, the data highs. But that wasn't the case. So now let's go ahead and put on my drawing so I can see what I was looking at. So go to bar replay. Let's go 9:15. So this is what I was looking at market open, right? Market open. These are the draws we had. We had Asia lows right here, previous low all the way down here, which I don't think we were gonna get to. So I was looking at Asia low, and then we had good draws higher. We had data highs up here, right, which also align with equal highs as well. So you see that data highs, equal highs, and then up higher at near all time highs, we also have London and previous day high, right? London high, which is also equal highs as well, and previous day high. So to me, it was obvious. Okay, I'm only looking for longs when and if ES, because I noticed that ES was closer to Asia than NQ. So I'm like, I only get shorts if ES takes it. We create SMT, and I look for longs, and that's exactly what happened. So let me go ahead and show you what happened. We'll click 1 5 minute right here. Okay, I'm gonna click one more 5 minute. What time is it right here? Okay, I gotta go to market open. Okay, so this is the first 5 minute of market open right here. We open up, start moving lower, right? You see ES is moving lower towards Asia, which is perfect. I'm like, okay, this is my plan, right? I'm gonna go another 5 minutes, okay? So boom, we dump. We're about to take out Asia, so now I'm gonna go to 1 minute so I can show y'all, okay? So we're about to take out Asia. See, right here, boom. Sorry guys, I heard something in my window. But right here, you see ES took it out, swept it, and now we're pushing up SMT, and now we're pushing up, right? We're displacing up higher, and I was like, this candle inverses, I'm in. Another displacing candle, boom, we get in displaced. This is my entry, guys. This is literally my model. You already know, break even at the swing high, TP, data highs, right? This is literally my model, literally to a T, right? And it just didn't work out. Like, I don't know what to say. It just didn't work out. You know, I did notice right now after this that there was a 5 minute, right? A 5 minute. But then again, guys, like, bro, like, I'm not going to hinder my trade and not take a trade because of a 5 minute when I have all these other confluences, right? SMT, we swept out Asia. There's no draws lower except previous day low, which is all the way down here, like 500 points lower, right? We're also respecting out of this 4 hour gap. So SMT inside of a 4 hour gap, mind you. Great displacement on the highest time frame leg. So right here, there was a 3 minute, not up until the 5 minute, right? So I'm like, cool. Take this 1 minute, clean inversion, right? Displacement, literally V-shaped recovery, gap protecting us. Like guys, this trade was literally like pitch perfect in my eyes. Like I don't care what nobody says. This shit was literally pitch perfect. We're at all time highs, so the narrative is only go long at all time highs, right? And that's exactly what I did. We're inside of a daily gap, inside multiple 4 hour gaps, SMT at a high time frame liquidity sweep. You know, great displacement, good draws. Like this literally from top to bottom, this literally cleared my checklist, right? And I was so confident entering this trade. I'm like, oh, this is money. Like I knew this trade was gonna bang, or I thought it was gonna bang, and of course not. Like we tapped that 5 minute and we straight go down. Which I mean, I guess like we can do that, but and then I just get stopped out. Right, we're just chopping around this 1 minute, and then I get stopped. So yeah, guys, like I mean, I like even like looking at this like I guess you could say that's like bearish order flow, but it's just like, is it really bearish order flow? Like, I mean, we're trading out of a daily gap, out of a 4 hour gap. Nothing here makes me want to go short, especially when we already have taken out Asia on ES and creating SMT. So, like, there's nothing telling me I want to go short. So, um, yeah, guys, and there's so many other factors leading me towards bullish instead of short, and that's why like I wanted to take longs, and I did. Um, but yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say about this loss. Like, I literally don't. Like, this was, in my opinion, A plus textbook. It's just one of those trades where 80%, you have an 80% win rate. It's that 20% where it's not gonna work out. And today was one of those days. So yeah, guys, I literally have nothing to say about this. Like, this was literally, in my opinion, like I said, I know I've said this multiple times, but this is, in my opinion, an A plus trade that just didn't happen to work out. I got no critiques about this. Like I said, even this 5 minute that we tapped into, like I didn't notice it beforehand, but even like looking at it now, I'm still justifying my trade. Like I don't care if we had this 5 minute. I still think that this 1 minute was clean, very very clean. SMT inside of a 4 hour V-shaped recovery, inversing this with no like resistance, and it just didn't work out. Like I'm not mad at this at all. Like I would take this 10 out of 10 times. This shows up again, I'm taking this 10 out of 10 times, right? It's just, but like I said, trading that's trading's game, bro. Like you can take the pitch perfect setup and this shit still will not work. That's why it's always good. You risk manage, you follow your rules because like even if trades like this, after you lose a trade like this, you want to crash out. Trust me, you want to crash out. But that's why you just follow your rules. But like I said, I can't be mad at this. And as of course I'm upset, like I'm pissed. I'm pissed about like losing the trade. But if I look at it from like another perspective, I follow my rules. I would take this 10 out of 10 times, and it just didn't work out this time. So yeah, I just been in a really really bad losing streak. I think I'm like on a 4 trade losing streak. I'm doing everything I can, right? I'm taking the best possible setup that I think, in my opinion. Like I don't feel like I'm taking bad setups. It's just they're not working out right now, and there's nothing really I can say about that. Like it, and just to show up every day and keep taking my setup. So yeah, guys. I mean, I literally have nothing else to say. Um, it's just I'm gonna journal this. I mean, I don't know what I can learn from this. Like literally, I don't know what I can learn from this. I guess hopefully, if someone took a short, I'll watch the recap to see what I can learn from them. But as of right now, I don't think there's nothing I can learn from this. It's just this was pitch perfect A plus in my opinion. I mean, if I'm doing something wrong, maybe y'all tell me. I don't know, but yeah, I think this is good. Good loss. Follow my rules. It is what it is. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok at Tone Trades. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.